Welcome students. Today we are going to do matrices, an important chapter of class 10, matrices. Now first of all, you have to understand what is matrices. Actually, these actually a rectangular arrangement of numbers in the form of rows and columns. Okay. Now these are rows and these are columns. Okay. You can see 2 and 3. They are arranged in a row. This is the first row. This is the second row. This is the first column. This is the second column. Okay. And here also you can see this is a row. This is a row. There are 3 columns. Now these are known as order of matrices. 2 cross 2. When we write 2 cross 2, this means the first represents the rows, the second represents the column. So when I write 2 cross 2, that means 2 rows and 2 columns. Here you can see there are 2 rows and 3 columns. So I write 2 cross 3. The first one represents rows, the second one represents column. So here we have 2 rows and 3 columns. Next one we see 1, 2, 3. That is 3 rows. You can see I have written 3 cross 2. That means order of matrix is 3 cross 2. 3 rows and 2 columns. That's why I write 3 rows and 2 columns. So this is the arrangement of numbers in a rectangular way. Horizontal and vertical lines are there. That is in the form of matrices. Okay, next. Next we have row matrices. Now in case of row matrices, what is a row matrix? One row, that is if I write 1, 2, 3, 1 cross 3. One row and you can see 1 column, 2 column, 3 columns. So 1 row, 3 columns. That is called a row matrix where number of row is 1. Next we come to column matrix. You can see here 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, 3 rows and 1 column. So whenever we have 1 column, that is a column matrix. Row matrix are 1 row and column matrix are 1 column. Next we are coming to the square matrix. Now, what is a square matrix? Here, number of rows is equal to number of columns. Whenever we see the number of rows is equal to number of columns, we name it as a square matrix. So here you can see 2 cross 2. 2 rows and 2 columns. Here we can see 3 rows and 3 columns. So here that is a square matrix where number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Next we are coming to zero matrix or null matrix. Null matrix is what? Where all the elements are 0. All the elements, rows and columns, every element of this matrix is 0. That is called the null matrix or the zero matrix. Next we are coming unit matrix. Now here unit matrix, what is a unit matrix? Here the diagonals are 1, the rest of the elements are 0. You can see it is a 2 cross 2 matrix. It is a 2 cross 2. It is a 3 cross 3. So in case of 2 cross 2 matrix, this diagonal is 1. The rest elements are 0. Here you can see 3 cross 3 matrix. The diagonal is 1. The rest elements are 0. That is called unit matrix. Okay. Next we are coming addition of matrix. Now addition of matrices is what? Two matrices are there. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 and say 2, 1, 4, 3. Suppose we have a matrix like this, two matrices, say A and B, matrix A and matrix B. We are asked to add it, add the two matrices. Now whenever we add two matrices, we add the corresponding elements. We add the corresponding elements. That is first one with the first one. That is 1 plus 2. You keep a gap, go to the next element, that is 2 plus 1. This is 2 plus 1. Next, you come to the next row, you add 3 and 4. So 3 plus 4. So this is 3, this is 4. 3 plus 4. Next, we are moving to the last one, that is 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. So what is the thing? We are getting 3, 3, 7, 7. So we are having here 3, 3, 7, 7. You add 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, 4 plus 3, 7, 4 plus 3, 7. So whenever you are asked to do the addition matrix, you add the corresponding elements. That will give you addition of matrices. Next we are coming subtraction of matrices. We are coming to the subtraction of matrices. Like here, we are putting the values, say 1, 2, 3, 4, and we subtract the next. This is matrix A. We have another matrix, that is B. So we write here, say 2, 1, 4, 6. Suppose we have 2, 1, 4, 6. This is matrix A, this is matrix B. Okay? So what we are having? 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 4, 4 minus 6. Corresponding elements are subtracted. Corresponding elements are subtracted. So the first one minus the first one, second one minus the second one, third one minus the third one, fourth one minus the fourth one. So what we are getting? Minus 1, 1, minus 1, 2. So here 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 1 is minus 1, 4 minus 1 is minus 2. Okay? So we are having here corresponding elements are subtracted. This is how we get subtraction of two matrices. So we have learned today two things, that is addition of two matrices and subtraction of two matrices. So if any sums are given, you can do addition and subtraction. Suppose we are having subtraction of matrices like this. So this 2 is multiplied with all the elements of this matrix and 3 is multiplied with all the elements of the matrices. So first I will multiply the numbers. We are getting 2, 4, 6 and 8. And here I am multiplying all the elements with 3, that is 6, 3, 9, 6. So first, before subtraction, I multiply the elements with the number 2 outside, and here the elements are multiplied with 3 outside, and then I subtract. So 2 minus 6, 4 minus 3, 6 minus 9, 8 minus of minus 6, because there is a minus sign here and a minus sign here. So finally we get the answer minus 4, 1, minus 3 and 8 plus 6, that is 14. See here 8 minus minus plus. So 8 plus 6 we are getting 14. So this is how we get subtraction of two matrices.